Ready to elevate your aerial photography in 2025? In this video, we're reviewing the top 3 best DJI drones with cameras that deliver stunning visuals and advanced flight features. Whether you're a content creator, hobbyist, or professional, these drones offer the best in stability, camera quality, and intelligent flight modes. Stay tuned to find out which DJI drone is perfect for you in 2025. Number 3. The DJI Mini 4K drone is a compact and lightweight aerial camera powerhouse designed for beginners and hobbyists who want stunning 4K UHD footage without breaking the bank or the rules. Weighing under 249 g, this drone bypasses FAA registration for recreational use, making it ultra-convenient for casual flyers. Despite its small size, it packs serious technology, including a 3-axis gimbal for buttery smooth, cinematic shots, even in challenging conditions. With a 10 km HD video transmission range and level 5, 38 km per hour wind resistance, the Mini 4K holds its own against more expensive models. Flight time maxes out at 31 minutes per battery, but users recommend investing in extra batteries or a power bank since the included remote's battery life could be better. One-tap takeoff, auto return to home, RTH, and in-app tutorials make this drone incredibly beginner-friendly. Advanced features like intelligent quickshots helix, rocket, drone, circle, and boomerang allow anyone to capture professional-level footage effortlessly. Users love its portability, solid build quality, and the fact it delivers high-end aerial footage at a budget-friendly price. Though it's not perfect, with minor drawbacks like the remote's battery life, the DJI Mini 4K is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their drone journey with a reliable, feature-packed, and affordable model. Number 2. The DJI Mini 3 DJI RC is a compact, lightweight drone that delivers professional-grade 4K HDR video in a beginner-friendly package. Weighing under 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational use, making it a perfect choice for casual flyers and content creators looking for hassle-free operation. The standout feature is its true vertical shooting, ideal for social media-ready videos on Instagram and TikTok. Equipped with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance, the Mini 3 ensures ultra-stable footage even in breezy conditions. With 10 km HD video transmission and 38-minute flight time per battery, it's built for those who love exploring vast landscapes without worrying about signal dropouts or short flights. Users can extend flight time up to 51 minutes with the optional Plus battery. The DJI RC remote controller comes with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, eliminating the need to use your smartphone, which users find incredibly convenient. Features like GPS return to home, RTH, precise hovering, and quick shots for cinematic flight patterns make it a breeze for beginners to capture professional-looking footage. Users praise its durability, withstanding minor crashes without damage, and its superb video stabilization. For its price, the DJI Mini 3 offers outstanding value, balancing advanced features with beginner-friendly controls, making it a top pick for drone enthusiasts. Number 1. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More combo is designed for thrill seekers and content creators who want an immersive FPV, first-person view, flying experience with professional-level 4K video. This package includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, the DJI RC Motion 3 controller, and the new DJI Goggles 3, giving you everything you need for extended flying sessions and stunning POV footage. With its 155 degrees super wide field of view and a 1 by 1.3-inch image sensor, the Avata 2 captures crisp 4K by 60 frames per second videos and 4K by 100 frames per second slow-motion shots. Built-in propeller guards add extra durability, allowing you to fly confidently, even in tight spaces. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive motion control, where you control the drone's movement with simple hand gestures, no complex joystick learning curve needed. The Easy Acro mode enables flips, rolls, and power loops at the press of a button, making acrobatic flying accessible to all. Stability is ensured with DJI's Rock Steady and Horizon Steady stabilization, delivering smooth footage even during aggressive maneuvers. User feedback highlights the drone's impressive image quality and beginner-friendly controls, though some noted the plastic body feels less premium than expected. However, with its immersive flight experience, robust safety features, and extended battery life, the DJI Avata 2 remains an outstanding FPV drone for creators wanting cinematic, action-packed footage. Thanks for watching our top 3 best DJI drones with cameras review for 2025. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more drone reviews and tech guides. Let us know in the comments which DJI drone you're planning to get or already love. Stay tuned for more expert drone content. See you in the next flight.